Money, they say, can either be the glue that holds you together or the storm that tears you apart. In the Philippines, where family and finances are so deeply intertwined, getting on the same page about money before you say, "I do," isn't just smart. It's essential for a lasting partnership. So before you walk down that aisle, let's talk about the 5 crucial money rules that every couple should set in stone. Trust me, your future selves will thank you for this conversation. Let's dive right into rule number 1, and it's a big one. Be radically honest about your finances. Think of financial secrets like termites in a wooden house. They slowly eat away at the foundation of your relationship, which is trust. Many people find it easier to talk about almost anything else, but hiding a mountain of credit card debt or being secretive about your actual salary can cause more damage than you can imagine. It's not about judging each other for past mistakes or lower earnings. It's about laying all your cards on the table. Show your bank statements, your credit history, your investment portfolio, or lack thereof. This isn't an interrogation. It's an act of ultimate vulnerability and trust. By opening up completely, you're not just sharing numbers. You're showing your partner that you trust them with your entire self, financial flaws and all. This level of transparency builds a foundation so strong that no financial surprise can shake it. Now for rule number 2, create a shared budget that reflects your shared life. This is where you move from my money and your money to our money. But here's the key. It's not just about pooling all your income into one giant pot. It's about combining your dreams and goals. Sit down together and map out what you want your life to look like in 1 year, 5 years, 10 years. Do you want to buy a condo in BGC? Save up for your dream wedding in Palawan? Start a small business? Your budget is the roadmap to get you there. When it comes to expenses, fairness is more important than equality. A 50-50 split might not work if one person earns significantly more than the other. A more modern and equitable approach is to contribute proportionally to your income. If you earn 60% of the household income, you might cover 60% of the shared expenses. This prevents resentment and ensures both partners feel like they are contributing fairly, fostering a sense of teamwork. Rule number 3 might sound a bit counterintuitive, but it's incredibly important. Maintain some financial independence. Yes, even when you're married. Having a small, personal fund that you don't have to justify or report to your partner is not about secrecy. It's about autonomy and respect. This is your guilt-free money. Want to buy that expensive coffee every morning? Treat your friends to a night out? Splurge on a new gadget without having a budget meeting? This is what your personal fund is for. It reduces the small day-to-day financial friction that can build up over time. It acknowledges that you are still 2 individuals with your own wants and needs, even within a partnership. Think of it as having your own little financial breathing room. Gives you a sense of freedom and reduces the chances of arguments over minor purchases, which ultimately leads to a happier, less stressful financial life together. Moving on to rule number 4, which is all about the power of shared dreams. Save together for big goals. While personal funds are for individual wants, a joint savings account is for your collective future. This is where the magic of partnership truly shines. Working towards a significant shared goal, like the down payment on a house, funding your future child's education, or saving for a once-in-a-lifetime trip around the world, is one of the most powerful bonding experiences a couple can have. It transforms you from 2 people living together into a powerful team, united by a common purpose. Create a vision board, open a dedicated high-yield savings account, and celebrate every milestone you hit along the way. Watching that savings account grow is a tangible representation of your commitment and hard work. It's not just about accumulating money. It's about building a future brick by brick together. This shared effort strengthens your bond and makes the achievement of that goal so much sweeter because you did it as a team. Finally, we arrive at rule number 5, the golden rule that ties everything together. Never compete, always cooperate. Your financial life as a couple is not a game to be won. It's not about who earns more, who saves more, or who made the better investment. Marriage is the ultimate team sport, and your finances are a reflection of that partnership. There will be times when one person's career takes off while the other's stalls. There will be unexpected expenses and financial setbacks. In these moments, it's crucial to remember that you are on the same team. Instead of blaming or competing, you support and strategize together. Make talking about money a regular, positive ritual. Schedule monthly money dates where you review your budget, celebrate your wins, and plan for the future. Dream together, plan together, and always approach your finances as a united front. Because in the end, a successful marriage isn't built on the size of your bank account, but on the strength of your partnership. Thank you so much for watching. Building a strong financial foundation is one of the greatest gifts you can give your relationship. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical advice on love, life, and money. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and share your own money rules for couples. See you in the next video.